What's up guys, Michael here, coming to you with another video. This time we're gonna be going through unboxing of the Echo Dot. I purchased this one through Amazon. I definitely recommend their service, probably the quickest one I've ever seen. So we're gonna be unboxing the latest generation of Amazon Echo Dot. So let's get down to it. Now there's a couple of cool features to talk about before we see it, so I'm just gonna run through them. So first of all, the device is super cheap. Like it's 35 pounds in UK, 43 euro for the rest of the Europe. And generally it has the built speaker. Apparently it's a really nice 1.6 inch speaker inside, so that's really good for good quality. However, you have the audio on output, so you can actually enjoy plugging it to some sort of speakers. And that's what's kind of cool about it, that you can make like your old school standard speakers into something more interesting and more kind of technology advanced. So this is the box. We're just gonna cut this. Okay, so let's have a look. It's a nice kind of cube size. So let's have a look. Echo Dot, add Alexa to any room. Obviously you can use all these fancy commands. Yeah, it's using Bluetooth 3.5, so that will work with pretty much all the devices. It has Wi-Fi, audio line out, so again it's gonna have a jack. Let's have a look here. Again, designed around your voice, voice controlled music throughout your room, control your smart home hands-free, and a lot of apps that you can connect it to. Spotify, probably the most interesting one for me, at least for listening to music. TuneIn, that's good stuff, but also you can connect it to your Samsung kind of Hue or Samsung Lightning at home, so that's kind of fancy. And again, what's included, there should be a couple of things. So let's get down to this. We're just gonna go through this. This is my first time owning one of those speakers, and again I purchased it with my own money, so it's not sponsored or no advertising here. Okay, so it's a nice box, nicely fitted. We're gonna remove the thing. So there are two versions of the Echo Dot that come with that you can purchase. There is one that would have a kind of a clock screen up here that comes through the fabric. This one is a plain one, so the cheaper version, I would say. Okay, so before we look at the device, let's have a look what's inside the box. So we have an instruction, one instruction, second instruction, some sort of things to try, so some of the voice commands. That's about it. Now we're gonna go deeper. So below that we also have the plug. So this is an Irish plug. Obviously for UK, US, there'll be different type of prongs. This is 15 watts. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah, 15 watts adapter. Amazon, also nicely wrapped with a cable, and that's your kind of typical adapter up here. Yeah, okay, so cables there. Let's have a look at the device itself now. So device is nicely wrapped, and we're gonna take it off. Just slide this out. Wow, it's quite heavy, I would say. It looks solid, definitely kind of feels good quality. So this is the base, and again the base is kind of rubbery, so it's holding really well on the wooden surface, any surface I think. The top is plastic, but the bottom part is rubber. Now we have a nice kind of fabric around it, so that's actually really nice looking. And we have just input for the power for the adapter, so I guess that will come in here. And then we have the audio jack for the speakers. So then let's have a look at the top. So there's 4 holes here for microphones. So in the previous generation, as far as I can tell, there was only 1 microphone, so this is so much better already. And you have a plus minus for volume up, down. Then you have a mute option, so this is kind of like a security feature. Obviously, you know, Amazon wants you to make sure that there is proper privacy in place, and you can turn it. The light would go red around the edges, so I believe this would be kind of a light around in different colors, and then this would be for connecting, but again we will be going through that in another video. So that's about it, guys. It's quite heavy, I would say, but again the quality and feel is good, so that's great. Now we're gonna move on and we're gonna try to connect it and see how that works, but that will be in the next video. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Let me know in the comments what else would you like to see in regards to Amazon Echo Dot. Let me know what you're looking for, and thanks for watching this one. I will see you in the next one.